Cyan. Mango stone rootstock. Preparing the rootstock. Cut the top of the rootstock leaving 3 to 5 inches high. Preparing the cyan. Trim the edge making opposite angled cuts. Inserting the cyan. Create a wedge long in auto, hold the cyan's edge. The cambium of cyan and rootstock must make into contact. Securing the graft. Use grafting tape or plastic to secure the graft. The cut parts should be completely covered. Wait for 30 to 45 days for result.